Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial that's perfect for those who are passionate about sustainable sewing and upcycling. In this video, I show you how to transform a big linen skirt into two stunning bras using my free PDF Bralette pattern. Not only is this project eco-friendly, but it's also beginner-friendly, making it accessible to sewists of all skill levels. I walk you through the step-by-step process of resizing and modifying the bread pattern to create a classic bra and a stylish bralette that would fit you perfectly. And the best part, you can use the same techniques to create other bra styles as well. So, if you're ready to sew sustainably and create beautiful bras from recycled fabrics, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more sewing inspirations. And let's get started on this exciting upcycling journey. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. I'm always here to help and chat with my viewers. Now let's dive into this creative and eco-friendly sewing project. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I encourage you to try this project and explore other possibilities with the same pattern. There are endless options for customization and creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more sewing inspirations and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on this project, please leave a comment below. I love hearing from my viewers. Thank you for joining me in this sustainable sewing journey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Remember, with a little creativity and sewing skills, you can turn something old and boring into something new and fabulous. Happy sewing!